Look at these AI car modification videos. They're insanely satisfying and highly addictive. And the best part? They're way easier to make than you think. Today I'm showing you the easiest way to create your own AI car modification videos. No image generation needed. Just one prompt. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you've launched the software, go to AI Video, Text-to-Video. You'll see the available AI models and their versions. Pick the one you want. I'm using Cdance 2.0. Click the prompt link in the description below. I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt template for you. All you need to do is replace car model with the vehicle you want to create. If you're not sure which car to pick, paste this into ChatGPT. Recommend 10 famous cars I can use for AI car modification videos. Choose one you like, replace car model in the template with it, then copy the completed prompt and paste it into Edimakor. Set your resolution, aspect ratio, then click Generate. Edimakor's text-to-video engine will turn your prompt into a clip that matches your vision. You can swap car model anytime to build almost any vehicle you want. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to share it on social media. To celebrate Edimakor's 2nd anniversary, simply add #Edimakor happy birthday to your post to claim 60 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.